Good morning, everyone. I wanted to wait for for it to get light enough for you to really kind of see. We've had our first major snowfall. I'm not sure when it started snowing again. We've had snow this last few days, but they are predicting 4 to 10 inches, and I just thought I'd share with you, especially for those of you who like snow and aren't going to have a white Christmas. I thought I would give you a little bit of a white Christmas, or at least pre-Christmas. Today's 12/12/12, and there's our lamp in there and the trees, and it's still snowing. I should have come out earlier, but it was pretty dark, but we had great big snowflakes at that point. So all right, you guys, there's your winter wonderland scene. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.